In this video, I'm going to answer an important question. Can you order from Amazon without an account? And if yes, how can you do it? If you're a complete beginner, don't worry. I'll explain everything clearly and simply so you understand your options. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand Amazon's policy. First, it's important to know that Amazon normally requires you to have an account to place an order. Whether you're shopping on the website or the app, you usually must sign in before completing a purchase. There's no official guest checkout option like some other websites offer. So technically, you cannot directly place an order on Amazon without an account. Step 2. Use a temporary or new account. If you don't want a long-term account, the simplest method is to quickly create a new Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website, click on Sign In, then choose Create Your Amazon Account. You only need your name, a mobile number or email, and a password. The process takes less than 2 minutes. After placing your order, you can keep the account or close it later from Account Settings. Step 3. Ask someone to order for you. Another option is to ask a friend or family member with an Amazon account to place the order for you. You can send them the product link and transfer the payment amount to them. They can enter your delivery address at checkout so the item ships directly to you. Step 4. Use Amazon gift cards. If your concern is sharing payment details, you can use an Amazon gift card instead of linking your debit or credit card. You still need an account to redeem the gift card, but you won't have to store your banking information on the platform. Step 5. Use Amazon as a guest via third-party sellers. Some third-party sellers list Amazon products on their own websites. In rare cases, you may be able to buy the same product directly from the seller's website without creating an Amazon account. However, always make sure the website is legitimate and secure before making any payment. Important note: be careful of websites that claim to offer Amazon No Account Checkout. Amazon itself does not officially support guest checkout, and such sites may not be safe. The safest and most reliable way to order is by creating an official Amazon account. And that's it. That's how ordering from Amazon without an account works in 2026. If this video helped you understand your options, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.